Welcome to our channel. Today we will be looking at 9 most best wood joinery techniques, and we will start with boot joint. For this common and simple joint, the head of one piece of wood is simply placed against the adjoining piece, forming a light angle. The two pieces can be fastened with screws, glued, or dry dowels, or sometimes staples. And number 2, it is box joint or figure joint. This connects two boards at the corners. It is very strong and is often utilized in boxes such as blanket chests and jewelry boxes because of its decorative looks. And number 3, it is a half lap joint. It is merely the process of joining two pieces of wood together by removing half of the width from each board so that they completely overlap each other when joined, and it's a very strong and very visually appealing joint. And number 4, it is doweled joint. It is merely a boot joint that uses wooden dowels to help align and strengthen the board between boards. Oftentimes, a dowel joint is made into a very visually appealing joint by passing the dowels completely through the side piece and inserting them flush with the surface. Number 5, it is spline joint. It is achieved by inserting a strip of wood into two corresponding grafts cut into two matching boards. A spline joint is often used to strengthen a boot or meter joint and can add a lot of visual appeal by using contrasting colors of wood. Number 6, it is rabbet and dado joints. These are simple joints that create an incredibly strong board by inserting one piece of wood into a groove or channel in another piece of wood. This joint is the backbone of cabinet box and bookcase construction. Number 7, raised panel joint or frame and panel joint. It is the primary method of constructing cabinet doors. Each panel consists of two vertical stiles running the complete height of the door, two rails that run the overall width of the door minus the width of the two stiles, and a center panel. This joinery technique creates a large panel that is unaffected by environmental changes because the center panel floats between the rails and stiles and is able to expand and contract without affecting the other pieces. There are hundreds of different router details that can be used on the rails, spires, stiles, and doors to create a look as fancy and as simple as desired. And number 8, it is mortise and tenon joints. It is one of the strongest and most widely used joinery methods in woodworking. The joint is simple. It is merely attaches two pieces by inserting a tenon into a mortise, but there are a multitude of applications and variations that are employed throughout woodworking. This joint is a staple in the building of chairs, tables, cabinet doors, and paneling. And our number 9, it is meter joint. It is a simple and easy way to connect any two pieces of wood together at any angle necessary. Simple, cut each edge of half the overall angle and join together using glue, nails, and screws. The meter joint, like the boot joint, is not very strong but is quick and simple to make.